I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold.
Ooh-wee. Y'all know the drill, man. Let me zoom in on this one, man. This is the 6-piece with the smoky flame diamond dust on the front 4. Then you got the trillion cut tips. You see that? You see that? It's just something different, yo. It's got ruby tips in the fangs. There's a little couple of them, you know. Probably get you something like this for around $450, $500, man, in silver. If you want that in gold, probably looking close to $700. White gold, rose gold, yellow gold, two-tone, black gold, whatever you guys want, guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, for supporting Seattle Gold Grills the long way. We have been doing jewelry since 1976, grills since 1995. Thank you everybody there that have been patient with us, that have been working with us on the molds, on getting remolded and those type of different deals. Thank you. I'm bringing on, I wouldn't say more staff, just more efficient staff to make sure that we are doing great customer service, guys. Sorry if anybody gets any bad experiences. It's, you know, it's not me. But when you're a company, you know, you always, you know, things can go wrong. So I appreciate you guys for being patient with us and for supporting us. Everybody that's been coming into the shop, letting me know how much they appreciate me and they support us, and they understand businesses can go through things, but even though, still letting us know they support us. So I just want to show you guys this one. This is the ruby tipped snowflake fang smoky diamond dust grills. This will be going up on the website later. Anybody that wants to get on with it, hit your boy up. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed, wonderful week. Stay positive. Stay blessed, y'all. 100. Go let remand, y'all.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grills, tighter than rose clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole